If you're tired of having your email clogged with unnecessary subscriptions filling up your space, particularly if you have a Gmail, here's how you can take care of that. In your Gmail, press this little pancake stack up here or hamburger icon menu. Then scroll down, you'll see you've got things like inbox, all inboxes, starred, purchases, things like that nature. But if you scroll down, you're going to see manage subscriptions. In here, you can get rid of subscriptions to things that you no longer want to receive emails from. Just press this little mail icon with a minus sign and then hit unsubscribe. And then you will be unsubscribed from that email. The same process can be achieved on the desktop version of Gmail, but not by clicking the hamburger button. Instead, by going down to here to this more button and scrolling down to manage subscriptions. Most email newsletters, whether you use Gmail or not, have at the bottom an unsubscribe button. They usually make it hard to find on purpose because they're incentivized to keep you on their newsletter. In most jurisdictions, they are legally obligated to have a proper unsubscribe option, though. That said, hunting around for the unsubscribe button in various newsletters can be a bit of a chore, and this makes it very easy right there in Gmail. If you do want to sign up to a newsletter worth subscribing to, there will be a link in the description to sign up to my newsletter where I let you know about these tech videos and other tech related things and things I'm working on as it applies to you. You'll also be able to immediately download a package of Apple shortcuts that I made that you can use on your Apple devices if you have any. If you appreciate tech tips like this, subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And why don't you let me know down below any interesting features that you've noticed in your email app, whether it's Gmail or not.